Most new moms spend hours building their baby registry, yet somehow, they still miss the one thing that could save them from a 2 a.m. meltdown. Everyone says, babies don't need much. Truth? They don't need everything. But they do need the right things. And trust me, most lists online won't tell you what actually matters. Buying cute baby gear that looks great on Instagram, but completely forgets the stressful real-life mess of diaper explosions, sleepless nights, and feeding struggles. In this video, we're breaking down the must-have essentials that most moms don't realize they need until it's too late. Number 1, diapering essentials. Picture this. It's 2 a.m. Your baby just had a blowout. You're half asleep, fumbling for diapers, wipes, rash cream, and nothing is where it should be. Your baby is screaming, and your anxiety is through the roof. Solution: diapering is one of the most frequent tasks in your baby's early days. Getting this right means fewer rashes, less crying, and quicker changes. Here are your absolute must-haves. Newborn diapers, disposable or cloth. Choose hypoallergenic ones designed for sensitive skin. Make sure they're free of harsh chemicals. Water-based baby wipes. Gentle, fragrance-free options reduce the risk of irritation. Diaper rash cream. Look for one with zinc oxide to create a protective barrier. Apply preventatively. Portable changing pad. Essential for hygiene when you're out and about. Diaper caddy organizer. Keep everything in one place so you're not scrambling at night. Number 2, feeding essentials. Whether you're breastfeeding or formula feeding, feeding can become stressful when your baby won't latch. You're engorged or bottles leak during the night feed. Solution: here are essentials to support smooth feeding, reduce nipple pain, and keep baby happy and full. Nursing pillow. Provides support to your arms and helps position baby properly. Burp cloths. Babies spit up often. Keep multiple cloths nearby. Breast pump. Even if you plan to breastfeed, pumping helps relieve engorgement and build a freezer stash. Breast milk storage bags. Leak-proof and BPA-free bags help preserve nutrients. Bottle feeding kit. Choose slow-flow nipples for newborns. Make sure bottles are anti-colic. Sterilizer. Kills 99.9% of bacteria quickly. Clean feeding gear equals a healthier baby. Nipple cream. Lanolin-based or plant-based options soothe and protect nipples. Number 3, sleep essentials. A fussy baby who won't sleep can push an already exhausted mom into full breakdown mode. Worse, unsafe sleeping setups can lead to life-threatening risks. Solution: create a safe and cozy sleep environment with these essentials. Bassinet or crib. Meet safety standards with a firm mattress and tight-fitted sheet. Swaddles or sleep sacks. Help your baby feel secure and prevent the startle reflex. White noise machine mimics the womb and soothes baby to sleep faster. Room thermometer avoids overheating or chilling. Baby monitor allows you to rest while keeping eyes and ears on baby. Nightlight essential for midnight diaper changes or feeds. Safe sleep rule. Place your baby alone, on their back, in a crib. No toys or loose bedding. Number 4, clothing essentials. Dressing your newborn isn't as simple as grabbing a cute onesie. Overdressing or using rough fabrics can cause overheating or skin irritation. Solution: go for simple, soft, and functional clothing. Onesies, short and long sleeve. Go for cotton and easy snap buttons. Sleepers or zip-up pajamas. Zippers save time during late-night changes. Mittens and hats prevent face scratching and keep baby warm. Socks and booties keep those tiny feet toasty. Soft blankets. For swaddling, not crib, choose breathable cotton or muslin. Pro tip: always feel your baby's neck or chest to check temperature, not hands or feet. Layering is key. Number 5, bath time essentials. New moms often feel terrified about bathing a slippery, wiggly newborn. Add in the fear of rashes and dry skin, and bath time becomes anxiety time. Solution: with the right setup, bath time can become bonding time. Infant bathtub. Choose a non-slip, supportive one for newborns. Hooded towels, soft and cozy to prevent chills. Gentle baby wash and shampoo. Tear-free and free from dyes and parabens. Soft washcloths, ideal for gentle cleaning. Bath thermometer keeps water between 98 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Moisturizer or baby lotion prevents flaky, dry newborn skin. Bath tip. Until the umbilical stump falls off, stick to sponge baths. Number 6. Baby health and safety essentials. One minute your baby seems fine. The next, they're screaming and burning up with a fever. Panic sets in. What do? Many new moms feel helpless without a proper baby health kit. Solution: preparing ahead can save precious time and peace of mind. These are your must-haves for monitoring and protecting your baby's health at home. Digital thermometer. A rectal thermometer is the most accurate for newborns. Nasal aspirator or bulb syringe helps clear tiny noses safely so your baby can breathe and sleep better. Baby nail clippers or electric nail file prevent painful scratches without hurting delicate skin. First aid kit. Include baby-safe antiseptic, bandages, and a soft-tipped syringe. Gripe water or gas drops can offer relief for colic and tummy troubles, but always check with your pediatrician first. Humidifier keeps air moist and reduces congestion, especially in dry climates or cold weather. Baby-safe laundry detergent, hypoallergenic and fragrance-free to avoid skin irritation. Pro tip: always store health items in one place, like a labeled bin or pouch, so you can act fast during nighttime emergencies. Number 7. Travel and on-the-go essentials. The first time you take baby out, it feels like you're moving house. And forgetting even one thing, like extra clothes or bottles, can lead to a meltdown. Yours or baby's. Solution: stay ready and organized with these newborn travel must-haves. Diaper bag. Choose one with multiple compartments, waterproof lining, and space for your essentials too. Changing pad. Portable. Keeps diaper changes sanitary no matter where you are. Wet dry bags. Store soiled clothes or cloth diapers without mess. Insulated bottle bag. Keeps formula or breast milk fresh while traveling. Car mirror lets you check on baby safely while driving. Baby carrier or wrap. Keeps your hands free and baby close and comforted. Extra onesies, bibs, and diapers. Always pack more than you think you'll need. Quick tip: create a travel checklist you can reuse for every outing. Less chance of forgetting something critical. Number 8. Soothing essentials. Sometimes, no matter what you do, your baby just won't stop crying. As a new mom, it can make you feel powerless, exhausted, and anxious. Solution: soothing tools can be a lifesaver, helping calm your baby and restore your sanity. Pacifiers. Some babies have a strong need to suck for comfort. Look for orthodontic-shaped ones. Swaddle blankets, mimic the womb and reduce startling. Rocking or glider chair. The gentle motion can lull even the fussiest baby to sleep. Baby swing or bouncer. Provides comforting motion and a safe space to relax. Soft lullaby music or white noise machine. Masks household sounds and soothes baby faster. Number 9. Baby development and play essentials. Many moms worry, am I doing enough to help my baby's brain grow? The truth is, playtime isn't just fun. It's essential for development. Solution: stimulating your newborn's senses can boost learning and bonding. Here's what you need: soft, high-contrast toys. Black and white patterns help babies focus and develop vision. Tummy time mat strengthens neck, back, and motor skills. Key for crawling later. Soft books. Look for touch and feel textures or crinkle pages. Mobiles. Crib or floor. Visually stimulating and encourages eye tracking. Mirror for baby. Promotes self-awareness and visual development. Play tip: talk to your baby during play. They may not understand words, but your voice builds emotional security and language skills. Number 10. Mom care essentials. You've prepared everything for your baby. But what about you? Many new moms feel drained, sore, and emotionally overwhelmed, especially if they forget to care for themselves. Solution: your health matters just as much. You can't pour from an empty cup. Stock up on essentials that help you recover, rest, and regain confidence. Peri bottle helps with hygiene and healing after vaginal delivery. Maternity pads and mesh underwear, essential for postpartum bleeding, lochia. Nipple cream and breast pads prevent painful cracking and soaking shirts. Comfy nursing bras, support and easy access for feeding. Postpartum support belt offers back support and abdominal comfort. Snacks and water bottles, Easy to grab fuel for those around-the-clock feeds. Journal or mood tracker app helps you spot signs of baby blues or postpartum depression early. Mental health tip: talk to someone, a friend, counselor, or your doctor. It's normal to feel overwhelmed.